Good morning. I am out here in Delat, and behind me you see the motorbike that I'm about to take on a little adventure going outside of the city and just gonna go explore a bit, have some cool places that we might get to, so we'll see if I make it out there. Let's go. Hello. So that first part of the drive was really amazing. Went down the mountain, through the pine trees, and now I've just arrived at this little temple here. Quite a nice little temple, and right off the side of the road you can just walk in and there's kids playing here. It's pretty nice. Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Alex. What is your name?
My name is Chi.
Chi?
My name is Nipgo. Nipgo.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like oh na na, yeah.
Oh.
Like oh na 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 na. Like oh na na, yeah.
So I made it to the waterfall. It's really wet here, so I mean there's not much to do down here except get sprayed. Ooh. That's commitment to the photo.
Like oh na 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 na. Like oh na na, yeah. When you're around, I know I hardly speak. You got me now, oh baby.
So the waterfall was amazing, got some really cool drone shots, I think they were good. And yeah, now on the way back, it's getting cold as I'm heading back up the mountain to Delat. So I've got some layers on, but yeah, really beautiful drive, and the sun is starting to set now. I might even get some sunset shots, not sure about that, but it's been a really nice drive. I'm gonna get some food when I get back to Delat. So yeah, I stopped and the spider there, that's what was on the telephone wires earlier. There were just hundreds of them earlier. So I started to climb up the mountain here into Delat, and I wanted to show you the road here. It's such a great road to drive along. You wind up through these pine trees up into the mountains, and then the views are behind me there, just really breathtaking. And the roads are really good here actually. At least this part is. When you go through the towns a little bit back there, there are a lot of potholes, so you gotta watch out for it. But otherwise, really well paved up here.